My country people, welcome to Sinok Media Sports segments. If not your first time with our channel, I beg make you subscribe if you never do so. No forget to put on your notification button so you go receive alert each time we drop our updates. Don't forget to also like, share, and comment on all our videos. Una go see say I dey smile, wetin dey make me dey smile? Joy is coming early in the morning, joy is coming early in the morning. Joy don finally come, make we give una transfer update as e dey happen inside the transfer market. Liverpool, the current English Premier League champions, don finally complete the signing of Melos Kekes from Bournemouth. Yes, Liverpool don sign the 21 Hungarian international for £40 million, and he's expected to complete his medicals within today and tomorrow. Liverpool just dey knack the transfer market back to back. They don buy Frimpong, they don buy Florian Wirtz. Now they don add Milos Kekes to the team. No be small thing dey happen. Now make we go to the transfer market again. Arsenal fans, every season our season, I get news for una. Arsenal don tire to dey pursue the signing of Benjamin Sesko from RB Leipzig sake of say the guy billing on top salary things e too much for Arsenal. According to the Mirror newspaper UK, Arsenal may likely pull out from that deal as dem no get money to pay the guy big salary. Although the report still tok say Arsenal dey prepare to sweet talk Sporting Lisbon make Sporting Lisbon sell dem their striker Victor Gyökeres as alternative to Benjamin Sesko. Another news from Arsenal be say Martin Zubimendi don land London to finalize im move to Arsenal. According to Sky reports, Arsenal don ready to meet Zubimendi £51 million clause before im go become available to sign for the Gunners. Well, dis na good news, even though me I know say Arsenal no too need defensive midfielder, dem need striker sake of say majority of their issues dey come from attack. They no get attacking option, especially that number 9. Well, only time will tell wetin dem go do for inside the transfer market as time still dey. Alright, today on Sinok Media Sports segments, we bring una the results from matches of the FIFA Club World Cup competition 2025. The last two games, Group G and H, waiting play out for those two games. Make we start with Group G. The first match for Group G now between Italian Serie A giants Juventus and Wydad Casablanca of the Botola Pro League for inside Morocco. This match bin take place inside the Lincoln Financial Stadium, Philadelphia, United States of America. The first goal of the match, not to waste time, as it come from Juventus youngster Yildiz, after Yildiz received better pass from Kepren Turam, and Yildiz wipe better shots wey touch Wydad Casablanca defender Botoli, and Botoli bin dey try block that shot, but unfortunately the block go hit inside the goal post and the ball enter net to give Juventus the lead. The second goal of the match come inside the 16th minute after Juventus midfielder Cambiaso throw a better pass again give Yildiz, and from outside shot Yildiz wipe am enter net. Many football fans and commentators don dey talk say that Yildiz second goal na one of the best goals for inside the tournament this season. Okay, although for inside the first half, Wydad Casablanca bin try to score one goal back as inside the 25th minute, Amrabat throw a better ball give Loch and Loch score to give Wydad the goal of the game. The match bin end 2-1 for inside the first half. The second half start again and Juventus begin dey fire Wydad Casablanca better shots up and down, until inside the 68 minutes when Kolo Muani give you this better pass, and again you this no fail to put the ball inside the net. That one now you this second goal for the game, and Juventus third for inside that game. The game finished on a dramatic note as the referee gave Juventus penalty for inside 90 minutes plus, and Juventus striker Vlahovic no missed the spot kick as he placed the ball to the left hand side and the keeper hand no fit reach to give Juventus the fourth goal. The match end Juventus 4, Wydad Casablanca 1. With these results, it don dey show say African club side go need to do a lot to qualify for the round of 16. As e dey be so, na only Mamelodi Sundowns and Esperance get the opportunity with Al Ahly. Al Ahly now na calculator we go use to dey press their own to see whether they go fit qualify. African side on this tournament need to do well. Make we move to the next game for Group G. The second game from Group G now between 2023 FIFA Club World Cup winners Manchester City and Al Ain of the United Arab Emirates inside the Mercedes-Benz Stadium, Atlanta, Georgia, United States of America. Pep Guardiola Manchester City no waste time to score as them get their first goal inside the 6 minutes after Ilkay Gundogan looped better ball over the head of the goalkeeper to drop inside the net. City scored their second goal inside the 27th minute after their newly signed midfielder Echeverri scored free kick from 20 yards. For inside 45 minutes plus, VAR called the referee to go check the monitor for possible penalty. Sake of say Al Ain defender Rabia draw Man City player Akanji inside the box and Akanji be fall down. The referee, after him check the screen, him consider say na foul, and therefore he give Manchester City penalty while he dash yellow card to Rabia. City striker Erling Haaland step up to take the penalty as him score to give Manchester City the third goal of the match. The first half end Manchester City 3, Al Ain 0. Inside the second half, City begin to add more pressure on top Al Ain as them score their fourth goal for inside the 73rd minute after Bernardo Silva square better pass give Ilkay Gundogan to score his second goal of the match. Today City make am 5 as Oscar Bob come from the bench to score inside the 84th minute of the game. 4 minutes later after Bob score, newly signed player Cherki scored the 6th goal for Manchester City after him received better pass from Erling Haaland. The match end Manchester City 6, Al Ain 0. Make we tell you now how Group G dey be for inside the tournament. The first position for Group G na Juventus, wey don play 2 games, they don win 2. They get 6 points and 8 goal difference. The second na Manchester City, they don play 2 games, they don win 2. Them get 6 points and also 8 goal difference. The third na Wydad, wey don play 2 games, they lose the 2, 0 points and minus 5 goal difference. The last, which is the 4th place, na Al Ain, wey don play 2 games, they don lose 2, them get 0 points and minus 11 goal difference. This one just show say both Manchester City and Juventus don qualify for the round of 16 based on say they don win their first opening 2 games. And Wydad Casablanca and Al Ahly, sorry to say, them they ready their bags to go out. Make we move over to Group H. Waiting dey sup for Group H. The first game for Group H now between Spanish La Liga giants Real Madrid and Pachuca of Mexico for inside the Bank of America Stadium, North Carolina, United States of America. That match been start on a dramatic note as the referee give Real Madrid defender Asensio red card sake of say him foul Pachuca striker Solomon Randon to deny am opportunity to score for Pachuca. The referee no waste time sharply. He tear the guy red card and Madrid come dey reduced to 10 men. Dat 10 men still no stop Los Blancos as dem fire the first goal for inside the 35th minute after Jude Bellingham receive better pass from Fran Garcia to score the first goal for Real Madrid. Real Madrid scored the second goal for inside the 43rd minute as Gonzalo Garcia throw a better pass give Gula to finish for Real Madrid the second goal of the match. The first half end Madrid 2 and Pachuca 0. Inside the second half, Real Madrid make am 3 for inside the 70th minute after Brahim Diaz cross better ball give Valverde and Valverde use him left leg to finish am to give Real Madrid their third goal of the match. The match no end there as Pachuca scored their own first goal inside the 80th minute after Lopez throw a better pass give Montiel wey score the only goal for Pachuca. The match end Real Madrid 3, Pachuca 1. The last game for Group H na between Austrian side Salzburg and Saudi Pro League side Al Hilal for inside the Audi Field Stadium, Washington DC, United States of America. The match start upon a small match as both teams not just give each other a chance to score, sake of say they just dey mark each other well, they tear better shots but the goalkeepers dey on guard to dey punch am. Inside the 8th minute, Salzburg striker Onisiwo get chance to score as Al Hilal goalkeeper bin punch all him shots throwaway goal throwing. That match bin end Salzburg 0 and Al Hilal 0. How Group H dey be? The first position for Group H na Real Madrid wey don play 2 games, dem win 1, dem draw 1. They get 4 points and 2 goal difference. The second na Salzburg wey don play 2 games, dem win 1, they also draw 1, dem get 4 points and 1 goal difference. The third na Al Hilal. Al Hilal don play 2 games, they don draw the 2 games, they get 2 points and 0 goal difference. The fourth for that group na Pachuca wey don play 2 matches, they don lose the 2, they get 0 points and -3 goal difference. After 2 rounds of group matches, the last round of group matches remain to see who dey qualify for the round of 16. Although e don sure for some teams like Bayern Munich, Manchester City, Juventus as dem don already qualify even if dem lose their last round of group matches. E also don sure for some other teams say dem don pack their bags ready to comot for the tournament. Teams like Auckland City, AIN, dem don ready to go back out even if dem win their last round of matches. Now here we go end our tori for Sinok Media Sports segment. Abeg make you join us for yet another delicious episode on Sinok Media Sports. Stay tuned and God bless.